Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on autoplay next video on YouTube. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up the app, then click on your profile icon on the bottom right, then you want to click on the settings icon on the top right. Once you're on here, just scroll down, and then underneath video and audio preferences you should see playback. So what you want to do is click on there, and then it should say autoplay next video. This just means when autoplay is enabled, a suggested video will automatically play next. So all you'll need to do is just toggle that on. Then once you've finished watching the video, the next video will automatically play. Thanks for watching.